Hey guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good, and today I'm going to do something a little different, and I'm actually going to show you my little studio that I have here. I always find it super interesting to see how other artists set up their studio and where their work area and where they do their filming and what have you. So let's get started with a little bit of a tour. So grab your coffee, let's go. All right, so nothing super fancy so far. I actually work out of my garage. So let's take a little tour. So over here, I have a little woodworking area where I make my own frames with this little miter saw. This is actually my drying rack. This is super high-end, let me tell you. This is actually just 2 big boxes with some stakes laid across. I have made sure that these are totally level so you can see that I have some paintings drying here. And this has been very well used. So you really don't need anything super fancy to do drying for your fluid acrylic paintings. This over here is just a little new area that I started doing some spray paint and using the fluid acrylic sort of in a vertical way. So instead of laying the canvas flat, and it's really quite nice actually. I like it. I did have to put a little plastic sheeting up just to protect the wall, you know. Props to the husband for letting me destroy the garage so far. So I have my little filming area, and this is where I do most of my filming for my acrylic pours. I have this mount up at the top. This is a phone mount that you can use, and actually it might be helpful for some of you if you're interested in getting started filming. I'll put links to some of these items that I use in the description below. So we have the hairdryer, we have the torch, I got a little stool action to help me get up onto that phone mount. All right, I have some art up here. This is just old art that I had. It helps with the sound to kind of absorb it, right? And if you watched my video about what to do with extra paintings you have laying around, this is a great idea for you. I have some storage. It's a complete nightmare mess. As you can see, there's paint all over everything, but what's to be expected for sure. I have some more storage here, some paintings, a very well-used apron, I will say, which as you know, definitely comes in handy to protect your clothes, but it still doesn't quite do everything for you. I have a table here that I just use for, you know, little things, doing varnishing. I have some kills too. I have a little easel there, my level. So I'm getting ready for an art fair coming up in a couple weeks, so I'm just getting everything lined up for that. I have some unfinished framing here that is going to go onto this big new canvas that I have here. All right, so this is sort of my staging area for all of my paintings that I'm going to be bringing to the show. So one hack that I have for you in this area is I use these really cheap plastic tablecloths that you'd buy for a party. I buy these in bulk from Walmart, and they come in a pack of 3. They're about $1 each. So I go through these. I use one clean tablecloth for several paintings, and then I throw it away. So this just goes to show you that it's always a complete mess. It's small. It's in my house. There's paint everywhere. It's pretty crazy, but you know what? I love it. This is absolutely my little sanctuary in the middle of a busy life. So that's all the time I have for today. I'll see you next time.